Excuse me. Okay, I'm back, and I found my necklace I was wearing today. My daughter got me this for Mother's Day, 2 years ago, and it's like heavy glass, and I love it. I just found it. I'm getting my apartment exterminated, not for roaches. Quit playing for spiders. Okay, getting my apartment exterminated, and I'm finding all kind of stuff that I haven't seen forever, and I love this. My baby got it for me. Yes. And Mother's Day was on her birthday that year. She was born May 9th, so sometimes it falls on her birthday. So, back to the elf haul. Yeah. So, for my compact I showed you, for that, I got some single eyeshadows to go in. And I got ivory, because I didn't have an ivory. And it's just a white. You see that? It's definitely ivory. Mocha. I love this color. Can't wait to try it. I'm not sure I didn't already purchase this before. Like I said, I have stuff everywhere unopened and I need to quit. And then I got, wait a minute, I got Golden Glow. And that's a really pretty color too. I can't wait to try that. Also, I picked up this Maybelline blush. It's in plums. It's got a highlighter and a blush there, and I don't really use too much blush. I don't know if you can see on my face today, but I actually tried e.l.f. Warm Tan today. But I'm going to tell you something. If you're my complexion, see, yes, I'm light. Be careful. You don't need that much. I had to take some off. Yeah. I got this e.l.f. powder brush, and it's from the Studio line. It's the $3 one. Let's see that. Yeah, I'll take it out. The flat top brush. Oh, if I can get it out. Oh. And it smells alright, I guess. And it's like that. And I'm sure you ladies have tried this brush, but I'm gonna just use it for, I don't know, bronzer or blush. I don't know that much about makeup. Don't laugh at me. Okay? I also stopped at one of my local, beauty supply stores. They had a big old jewelry thing, 99-cent earrings and bracelets and whatever. And as you can see, I don't know if you've noticed, but my ears are not pierced. Not pierced. Anybody wants to know why, you can inbox me and I'll tell you. But, yeah. It's yellow, and it's a set of 3. It's coming up green. There we go. Yellow. Beautiful. Thrift store. Yesterday with my girls. And I mean daughters, girls. I found this. And I don't know. It's probably ugly to you all, but I had to have it. I have a lot of Indian in my family. No, I do though. Cherokee Indian. And this just reminded me of a part of who I am. And I wanted it. And I thought it was beautiful. And y'all don't know me. I put 2 pigtails in my hair and rock this. Okay? And have people saying, you look like an Indian, Pocahontas, whatever. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this book. Because in my last video, which this is actually part 2 of, I told you all about my skincare routine and how the best thing for your skin and all of your body is happiness. And I meant that. In case you guys don't think I'm serious, this is one of my favorite books. It is Until Today by Iyanla Vanzant. I don't know if any of you all are familiar with her. I'm sure some of you are. And it is daily devotions for spiritual growth and peace of mind. For every day of the year, 365, there is a positive, yes, positive daily devotion. I start my day off reading one of these. Yes, reading this. I have a couple more of her books. I have Yesterday I Cried. It's a wonderful book. Yes, I start my day off with something positive. If I can't get it in there on my own, here we go. I love to read, but there's all kinds of ways you can stay positive and keep positive and happy. I am a very spiritual person. I wouldn't say religious, but I am very spiritual. I believe in God. I know some of you ladies won't like that, whatever. Everybody has their own opinion, whatever. But we came from somewhere. Hello. I believe in God. I love God, and I know He loves me, and I trust in that. And I make it through every day with that. I try to, and any days that I'm weak, I know He's strong through me, and so there you go. I have thrifted stuff I want to show you guys, but I'll do that another day. My daughter actually threw my stuff back in the dryer after I had finished drying it, but something you deal with when you have babies. Well, not babies anymore, but babies. I got this too. I already have one of these, and I couldn't find it, and I forgot if I liked it or not. So it's Lilac Petal, and it's one of their shimmering facial whips. Got it in Lilac Petal. And I don't remember. I don't remember if I liked it. I know it was light. So probably somewhere up here it should go. I'm sure I can find a video on that. Yeah. So that is my little haul or whatever. Oh, I found another thing I picked up. And I don't remember the color because on this one it was on the box only. And it's from e.l.f. and it's a really pretty peachy pink lip gloss, and I love it. I'm real funny about lip glosses. CoverGirl CG Smoothers, whatever. That's the one that I usually wear because it's the best on my lips. I have very sensitive skin. Another reason I don't wear makeup. I'm scared. I literally am scared. I don't want to mess my skin up. I don't. And so, yeah, I don't wear any makeup and my skin is sensitive. Sorry. Yeah. And so I have to watch what I get. But this is a lip gloss that I can actually wear, and I love the applicator. Look at that. Look at that. It's like shaped to, I love it. I don't like the brush ones, even though I did buy some. Well, these are the same kind of applicator, yes, and they're spongy. Okay, so that's my video for now. I'm sorry, I hope I didn't bore you. I have tons of other stuff new to show, but I'm not going to get into it right now. I just wanted to make sure I got that response video out. Thank you. Peace and love.